Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's see if our homemade knife, this is the Putty-Knife knife, can still make fire. Make an upside down fire in the hobo stove using the remains of the eastern red cedar, and be very careful about making fire today. We have constant winds of about 8 to 10 miles an hour and gusts of about 15 miles an hour. Let's go ahead and make the upside down fire lay. These bigger pieces we'll put on the bottom. And these longer pieces can just be uprights. Some leaves for tinder. That should be all we need. And these pine knots I thought would break off easier. Let's get some fatwood out of it. Act like you didn't see that. Keychain Ferro Rod, it's a bayite. You can get a 3-pack on Amazon for about $12, $15. Act like you didn't see that either. Now, do me a favor now before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll position these vent holes towards the wind. We'll catch you on the next one.